G'day guys, I'm Pete from Perfectly Reasonable Necessities, and on this channel we do reviews on woodworking products, woodworking tools, and we do some woodworking projects as well to show you that I actually use what I review. But today we'll be doing a build on part 2 of our resin coffee table. So the final sand, finish coat and the legs is what we're doing today. So we hope you like this one. Let's get into it, shall we? You just put down only what you think you need. Roll it on like that. Again, just make sure the finished roll go the same direction. And again, clean rag and just gently give it a wipe. I'm barely putting any pressure on this at all, guys. To give you that brush look. So you can see there, you can almost see the reflection of my hand off it. See? Pretty cool. And again, I'm only doing this because I don't have a brush. So, and again, it's just a case of gently rubbing it. Just making sure that once you start, you don't stop until you hit the end. Just going to make sure you don't get any high spots in it. So again guys, you can probably just rag this on. Might actually try that with the next coat. I'm going to get some gloves on. Alright, so what we'll do this time is we'll rag it on. I've got some gloves on. Make sure that we don't. And again guys, I am making sure that this is in a really well ventilated area. So I haven't got a mask on, but I've got my, I do have I am outside. So, and again it's just a case of ragging this on. Pushing it around until you're actually happy with it. And again guys, you just got to make sure that one, you're using a microfiber cloth, or at least a paper towel, something that's not going to leave any residual behind, and that when you wipe it off you go in the same direction, otherwise it's going to look terrible like that. See? And what I'll do is I'll just go over it again. The whole idea is to make sure that you get a fairly even coat out of it. good about this stuff is it doesn't. There we go. And again, you look and can actually see my hand in it. So that's a good gauge as to whether you've got a nice even coat or not. So you just go all the way over and see if you can see the reflection right the way through. And if you can, your coat's fairly even, and so too is your sanding. So again, it's just a case of making sure that the excess is rubbed off. And you might have to go through a couple of different rags to allow this to drag off properly. And again guys, I'm only doing this because I don't have a brush. So if I had a brush I'd be able to do it a bit easier, but it is a case of using what I have at hand, which at the moment is not a brush. I'm just going to make sure there's no particulates on it, because if there is, look at that. Alright, so we might let that dry, and we'll probably do another 2 coats like that. So this means we're going to go through another 2 rags and a couple of pairs of nitrile, but that's okay. It's all about the end project. This is what we want.